Hello friends. In the series of video lectures, I would cover important international organizations covering dimensions like what it is, why it is important, significance for India, points of cooperation, points of conflict, and the way forward, which will increase your understanding of the topic in a very holistic way. And I hope this will be useful for your upcoming SSB and to increase your general awareness on the topic. So today's topic would be rising significance of BIMSTEC for India. First, what is BIMSTEC? It stands for Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. It came into being on 6th of June 1997 through Bangkok Declaration. Member countries are India, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, which are from South Asia, and Myanmar, Thailand, which are from Southeast Asia. Now, why BIMSTEC is important? As it is a regional grouping of 7 countries, around 22% of the world population lives in these countries. Also, it acts as a link between South Asia and Southeast Asia. Apart from that, Bay of Bengal has lot of untapped energy reserves. Around 25% of the world trade passes through Bay of Bengal. That is why BIMSTEC is very important to increase the cooperation between the countries. Now, why it is important for India? Friends, as we have seen in 2019, our government has invited leaders of BIMSTEC for oath taking ceremony of the Prime Minister. From there on, we have seen rising significance of BIMSTEC. Also, through BIMSTEC, we can achieve our foreign policy objective, that is, look east and neighborhood first. Also, as we are a part of South Asia Association for Regional Cooperation, that is SAARC, which has become dysfunctional because of India-Pakistan tensions, and we could not achieve the objectives like motor vehicles agreement, which was very important to increase the connectivity, and South Asia Free Trade Agreement to increase the trade due to tension between India and Pakistan. But as BIMSTEC does not contain Pakistan, we can achieve this objective. So what are the areas of cooperation? As these countries have a common set of problems, and the main objective was to provide economic and technical cooperation. So BIMSTEC has identified 14 key priority areas where a member country would take a lead and would organize meeting between the countries to enhance the cooperation. So India has taken lead for transport and communication, tourism, disaster management, as this country face cyclones every year in the Bay of Bengal region, and for counter terrorism. Similarly, Nepal has taken lead for poverty alleviation, Bhutan for culture cooperation, Bangladesh for trade and investment and climate change, Thailand for public health. So these are some areas of cooperation. Now, what are the concerns? The first is China. As leaving India and Bhutan, all other 5 countries are part of China Belt and Road Initiative. That is a concern for India, as China influence have increased in the region. Also, China has provided loan to these countries, which is somewhat taking them to debit and trap. The second is, as this grouping was formed in 1997, much has not been seen on the ground because countries were reluctant to cooperate as they feel India's superior power. But as the time is changing, they also realize that the cooperation is very important between the countries. Now, what is the way forward? Definitely, BIMSTEC has lot of potential to achieve our objective in the region. Also, we can work toward more connectivity and building infrastructure in the region. Also, we can think of establishing a separate bank for BIMSTEC which provide funding for the project specifically for the BIMSTEC. Also, there is a need to improve the technical and economic cooperation that will happen with time. So this is the way forward for BIMSTEC. I hope you like the topic and thank you for watching it.